this is why the fan didn't want to work. So we're gonna replace the fan
It was overheating.
with a new fan because they have it probably somewhere where there's not enough air coming in. So if you're gonna look out for a fan, check this out. All right, here's a video I'm gonna do of how to replace the fan. I've been getting told a couple times, hey, can you redo the video again, slow it down? Well, I'm not gonna slow it down. First of all, figure out how to take out the cover. It's very simple, right? And the fastest way to do it is just make sure you remove some of the components. Their tape or the glue in, and that's pretty much it. I only opened one side, to be honest with you, and took it off. And look at this thing. This thing was filthy. It took us about maybe 30-20 minutes just to clean it up. And this is why the first fan failed, because of all the dust bunnies. It was just continuously full of dust bunnies and made it a lot difficult. So I ended up getting an air gun, blowing everything out, bringing it back up, and then we putting it back together. So one of the best things I like when I put things back together is like I like to show the person that I'm doing. This is my nephew's PlayStation 5, by the way. And I told him, hey, this is how simple it is. Take the steps, and if you forget, you can always come back and see the video, some of the components that we did, and it's not that very difficult. So I ordered the fan, but he was hesitant to put the fan together, and here I am visiting him, setting it up, and playing it with it. So once it started working, I told him, don't put the PlayStation anywhere near there's no air coming in, because if you put it right behind your dresser or behind places that there's not much suction of air coming in, you're going to accumulate a lot of dust bunnies, and this is the first thing that always goes. After this, the CPU starts warming up, I would say heating up, and then the worst part is that you have to replace the actual cement that it has, and that's not easy because that's actually a liquid metal, and it's a little more difficult. I would do a video on it. Well, next time, if it doesn't work on him, we're going to do another video. But so far, this is the process. Very simple, out of the box, and easy to replace. Hope you guys enjoy this. It's working now. We're going to keep the cover off.